Heat pumps are an efficient and eco-friendly way to heat and cool homes. However, during colder months, homeowners might notice their heat pump switching to defrost mode. Understanding why this happens, whether it's a problem, and how to avoid unnecessary defrost cycles can help maintain the efficiency and longevity of the system. In heating mode, the outdoor unit of a heat pump can accumulate frost. This happens because the unit extracts heat from the outside air, causing the surrounding moisture to freeze on the outdoor coil in low temperatures. Frost buildup reduces the heat pump's efficiency. The system detects this inefficiency and automatically switches to defrost mode to melt the frost. During defrost, the heat pump temporarily reverses operation, sending warm refrigerant to the outdoor coils. This melts the frost, ensuring the unit continues to operate efficiently. Occasional activation of defrost mode is a normal part of a heat pump's operation in cold weather. It's a necessary function to maintain efficiency and performance. However, if the system frequently enters defrost mode or stays in it for prolonged periods, it might indicate a problem. Issues like incorrect sensor readings, faulty controls, or refrigerant leaks can lead to excessive defrosting. In normal working conditions, a defrost cycle can occur as often as every 35 minutes, but each shouldn't last for over 10 minutes. How to avoid unnecessary defrost cycles. Regular maintenance. Routine maintenance is crucial. Cleaning the coils and replacing filters can prevent excessive frost buildup. Proper installation and settings. Ensure that the heat pump is correctly installed with adequate space around the outdoor unit for air circulation. Also, check that the thermostat and defrost settings are correctly configured. Check refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant levels can cause the system to work harder, leading to more frost and frequent defrost cycles. Upgrade insulation. Improving home insulation can reduce the workload on the heat pump, subsequently decreasing the frequency of defrost cycles. Professional assessment. If frequent defrosting persists, it's advisable to consult a professional. A technician can diagnose and fix issues like sensor malfunctions or refrigerant leaks. While defrost mode is a standard feature of heat pumps in cold weather, understanding its function and ensuring proper maintenance can help avoid unnecessary defrost cycles. Regular servicing and addressing any unusual frequency in defrost mode can not only extend the life of the heat pump, but also maintain its efficiency and effectiveness in providing comfortable indoor temperatures.